Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat PHE ubak Renikton lingdo tangkhar. Hene kajanmian ulalum miki visa Ketenat PHE ki kontraktor menyakran kumno ben Pyndep nak kloy ya Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3. Bakran bagi nak kubor ubak Renik ulang bakajing kendo kalau kapasisa bat kebabha. Hakba baru arlang mamla kila poi syakarai ben pinstat syusyu ya kakam bat ben petikna ben Pyndep nak hakpor kebabiang. Nakaliang ubak Renikton ula kerparu ya barok kisnong kitau kirang bak snong kinong snong banyak cailang kamtam habede bagi jepenya iki pai ula kerpat baken ai ke jikersan namardan kisnong lani kirang bak snong kem ai la deki bagi kam kinya chaprang shishu udai thuru bakathong kajongki kilometer Pyndep no ya Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Hapoh Bnai Nailur.
Just had a review meeting of the water supply scheme, Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3. Here with me, we have the engineers, both the chief engineers, SE, executive engineers, and also the contractors who are doing this work. I'm happy to inform you that the meeting is very good, and we have come up to the decision to speed up the work and to ensure that we complete this work on time. Even though it's already very, very late, but I'm happy to see that the contractors today, they have expressed and they are all determined to resume back the work immediately. So we have also understood their problem, for which they wanted the support from the department, and we have come to the conclusion that the officers, the concerned officers, will give all the support to the contractors to enable them to start the work immediately. And I would request also all the village darbars, the headmen, the localities, wherever the work, the pipe has to go through, I would request their support as well, because we understand that there are problems sometimes that the headman or the village authority did not allow, the department did not allow the contractors to carry on the work. So I will request that it's the need of all the people staying in Shillong city, and I hope that people will understand that and they will cooperate to allow the department and the contractors to execute, to start the work. So I would request PWD also to cooperate, as they have already cooperated with us. I hope now there will be no problem and we will be able to resume back to the work and to complete. Today in this meeting, we had discussion also that practically can complete this work. I'm happy to see not the pressure from the department, but the contractors themselves, they had expressed that we can complete this work before September. So I'm very, very happy, and we have unanimously decided that we'll complete this work by September of this year. So that's why, as the contractor has committed by themselves, not that the department put the target, but they have committed by themselves. I hope they will be able to do justice and to complete the work on time. Of course, there may be a problem that they may arise, but I have put the challenge to them that it's always very good when we come successfully from the problems. But sometimes when we achieve the things easily without facing problems, we may not be happy or we may not feel good. But when we can come successfully from amidst the problems, we'll be more happy. So I have requested them that even though they have to meet some challenges, some problem here and there, but I have encouraged them that be there, don't give up, and try to solve this problem and overcome all this problem. So I hope we'll be able to complete this scheme. Kena revise lada kamdon kena revision benjuk sanction ni kena revise estimately lese kan namang medikren kontraktor kim don shu iban trade dan day hadin baga sarkar kalau ada sanction ya kena revise estimate day kita kadawi la khot bank kontraktor bat ka long bank jikren bakin train obiang hadin bagi la sanction ya kena revise estimate na keling peludi musual lese kadon kum kita day mentar keling peludi kalau cooperate nak keling department do bilang siu kapisa hak peludi ban repair bank kini surok hak bakin damage hak bakin duk dak jing tray ya kini ki pipeline te mila don haka jing ya trelang mata peludi ru total amount ke ba la sanction ni ke revise estimate ke di kuman 1,000 crore ni 1,000 crore ya ke ba la sanction ya ke revise estimate